Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to insert button in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI, insert, left arrow, drag it and drop it here, activate the action on it. Now press Control and press this button, and it will go on the previous page. You can see it is now, as from page 7, it has gone to page 6. One time more, click on it. So now it's on page 6. So this is how you can insert buttons in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.